How to recover deleted Telegram accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recover deleted Telegram accounts, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to recover your deleted Telegram account, so if you open up Telegram over here, now first thing you have to understand is that it just depends upon how long has it been since you last deleted your account, because Telegram will offer you some type of stoppation service, which means that if you deleted your account today, 15 days or 30 days from now, your account will remain deactivated. If you change your mind within those 30 days, you can still get access back into your account. But if you don't change your mind and you don't try to log in within those given periods of time, then you'll not be able to recover your account, which in this case is just a matter of luck. Just try to go ahead and log into your account. If Telegram does ask you that you want to reactivate it, you're lucky, you should be able to get your account back. If not, then your account might have been permanently deleted, and in that case there's no way that you could ever recover your account. So I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.